In this video, I'll show you how to download your code from Base44. First, go to Base44 and log into your account. Now scroll down and open the project for which you want the code. Once your project opens, look for the three dots menu on the project. If you choose options like Export to GitHub or Download as zip, you will see that these options require a paid plan. So let me show you the free manual way. Click on the three dots, then click Files used in this page and open. See all files. Now you will see all your project files, like pages and components. Open any file, scroll to the bottom, select all the code, and copy it. On Windows, use Ctrl+A and then Ctrl+C. Paste this code into a file on your computer. Now open the next file and repeat the same step. You have to copy every page and every component one by one. This method is free, but it takes more time and you must be careful not to miss any file. After copying all files, you can upload the code anywhere you want. That's it. This is how you can download your Base44 project code for free using the manual method.